There lived a poor and old man in a kingdom, but the king of the kingdom was also jealous of the old man. And then something happened that within no time, the old man became famous in the entire state. This story is about an old man living in Sundar Kingdom who used to earn his living by selling forest wood. He was poor, but the old man was known for his strange words and his white horse. The old man had a very beautiful white horse. There was no such horse in the entire state, let alone the surrounding states, due to which even the king was jealous of the old man. Many rich people tried to buy the horse. The king also charged the price of gold coins several times, but the old man was not affected by any temptation. The old man would say the same thing to everyone. This horse is not just a horse. It is a member of my family. It is not a property. I cannot sell a family member out of greed for money. One morning, the old man noticed that the horse was not in the stable. The elders searched here and there, questioned people, but could not find the horse. The news spread throughout the state. Many people gathered and started talking, adding insult to injury. We already knew that someday the horse would be stolen. This old man is very poor and weak. How could he protect such a precious horse? A man laughingly said, "You have suffered a lot. What could be a worse fate than this? If you had sold the horse to the king, you would have got a good amount of money and would have passed your old age comfortably." The old man did not react to anyone's words, just said one thing: "Whatever is, everything is fine. The only truth is that the horse is not in the stable. The rest will see what happens." A month passed after this incident. Then suddenly one night, the horse returned. The horse was not stolen. It had run away into the forest. But the surprising thing was that a dozen more horses of the same breed came along with the horse. The news then spread like wildfire in the state. People gathered and said to the old man, "You were right. The loss of the horse was not a misfortune. It proved to be a blessing. Your luck has changed. Now you can become a horse trader." The old man remained calm and said, "The truth is that 12 more horses have come with the horse. Whatever is, everything is fine. The rest will see what happens next." The elder's son started learning how to tame the wild horses, but after just 3 days, the boy fell from a wild horse and broke his leg bones. People gathered again and said sadly, "A lot of bad things have happened to you. Getting 12 horses was not a blessing, but a curse. Your only son's leg was broken. Now how will he get married? The poor guy is unlucky." But the old man was not affected by people's words. The old man said, "The truth is that the son has lost one leg. It is also true that now I have to help him in his old age. But whatever is, everything is fine. The rest will see what happens next." After some time, the king's enemies attacked the kingdom with a huge army. The king's army started weakening due to the sudden attack. Therefore, all the youth of the state were forcibly taken into the army. But the old man's son survived because he was lame. People gathered at the old man's house crying. People said to the elder, "You were right. Your son's broken leg proved to be a blessing for you. He did not have to go to war, but we all are very upset. Our children are gone. Now we don't know whether they will return or not. We all know that. You remain the same through happiness and sorrow. But how do you do it?" The old man said, "First of all, understand the truth. The only truth is that your sons have gone to serve the motherland. Perhaps it was not your wish, yet they have gone. Whether it is a misfortune or a blessing, no one knows." The old man further said, "Until you people give up the habit of calling things good or bad, you will continue to be troubled. Why take care of fate? If you have to take care, then take care of your actions, take care of your thoughts, and keep living life happily." Profit, loss, luck, these are small parts of life. Just as you cannot understand an entire book by reading one line, similarly, how can you decide whether life is good or bad on the basis of one incident, which is not in our control? We form opinions about him and get upset by giving meaningless judgments. Don't draw conclusions about small incidents in life. Instead, stay in the moment. Life is in this moment, and stay happy and keep doing your work. You don't have to pay attention to what people say, whether they are speaking good or bad about you. If you pay attention to what people say, your mind automatically starts getting restless. Therefore, you should focus on the important work of your life, which will always give you inner happiness.